Let's see what happens. Okay. We're about to find out. Sorry guys, I got a song stuck in my head. Cool. Winning slowly but surely. Oh wait, that's the day. I feel like I was supposed to do something there, but it's fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. Hey, Rini, how you doing? How's it going? Okay. I think we're good to go. I think. Sorry I missed you guys this morning, but I stick to my word, believe it or not. And I did indeed. Yeah, I did indeed actually go shark cage diving. Unfortunately, there were no sharks there. However, you know, I did still check something off of my I'm terrified to do it list, which is swimming very deep in the ocean. Hey, Diamante and Deadwolf. Yeah, so I did. Unfortunately, there were no sharks. So I'm gonna have to go again and try round 2. But I did swim with the fish. There was a, what's it called? Potato bass. Those things are huge. Well, for me, they looked huge. I was not too pleased. Deadpool. So, okay. So another thing that I'm trying to wrap my head around it, right? So I get there and they're like, yo, here's the cage, but you know, let's see what happens when we get there. You can go snorkeling with them. I was like, what do you mean snorkeling with them? They're like, you can go snorkeling with them. Like, you mean outside of the cage? And they're like, yeah. No. What? Like, no. But now after, yeah, the whole time when I was swimming there, because they're like, yeah, just don't. So this was very interesting for me. Sorry guys, you're gonna get like a full recap of my morning. Gold all-time high, I think. Really? Interesting. Yeah, it looked like this morning. Wait, let me not lie. Oh, okay. So there was a climb this morning during Asia session. Asia Open. Otherwise, it doesn't look. I say that. Let me maybe zoom in. Then it'll look like I missed something. Yeah. Okay. Didn't look like I missed that much this morning, so that makes me feel a little bit better. Oh, that's why, guys. I'm on the 5 minute. That would do it. That would definitely do it. Okay. Now let's have a look, see what I missed. Oh, damn, okay. I say that, no, this is actually a little bit choppy, which means we might have some decent movement during New York today. I'm quite excited. I'm rather excited. Let's see what happens. Hey Bob, how you doing? Hey the rich man. Thank you. How was your guys' weekend? I feel like we need to start there. How was the weekend? Joan! Hey, how are you guys doing? So so as you can see, I changed a little bit of things around. Like I'm facing, nope, that way. I'm actually facing the trading view now. Do you guys prefer this? I don't know if you guys even care which way I'm facing. And I did get a new chat situation going on. So if I do not respond people's messages. I'm so sorry. I'm figuring this out. Yeah, just saying. Yeah, you. Was it all good? I'm so glad. I'm so glad it was a good weekend, guys. Dead Wolf, great weekend. No, I'm joking. I'm so glad. How was the camping? Yes. Guys, today has been such a weird day. Today has been such a weird day. So I nearly didn't make it to this. Well, let me not say I nearly didn't make it to the stream. I probably wouldn't have been able to have streamed today if, thank heavens, but if I had to have taken my dog to the vet. Because, do you guys want to hear the story? Sorry, it's been a weird day. And we have some time to kill, but it's been a weird day. I don't know how else to explain it. It's just been super interesting. But the dog was super interested. He wanted to go outside, and I was like, okay, cool. Let's open up the door. I'm chilling, and then I just hear this bop, and I'm like, what the heck? And I look, 2 snakes had fallen out of the tree, literally probably not even a meter away from my dog, and they were green, which down here you freak out a little bit because it could be a worm slug, which are very, very venomous. So I was like, oh my gosh, so it's me, the snakes, and my dog. Thank heavens my dog is so well behaved, because I literally just looked at him and I was like, yeah. Luckily they both freaked out and they slithered away, and then my dog ran inside and I like slammed the door and I just lay there and I was like, oh my gosh. But luckily he wasn't bitten. But there was a moment where I was like, is he bitten? Am I running to the vet? What's happening? But yeah, so that was very welcome to South Africa. Just lots and lots of weird and wonderful things happening here. Hey Dark Angel, how are you? Happy Monday. Right, so I was having a heart attack. He was fine. He didn't understand why I was yelling at him, because obviously I'm screaming at him to not go near them. He's just like, okay, crazy lady yelling at me. Oh, I'm so good, Dark Angel. Dark Angel, I'll tell you now. Oh, so Dark Angel, so I did actually go shark cage diving this morning. Unfortunately, there were no sharks then. You know, I like to think of it as they can control the sharks as much as I can control the stock market. Some days it's going to be amazing and there's just, you know, it's all going to fall into place, and then other days there's just, I mean, you would understand this, Dark Angel, just other days there's just going to be no setup. There's going to be no sharks. So I will go back. I will try a round 2. I will wait for, so apparently there's a sardine run happening at the moment, which doesn't help, because obviously the sharks are all there at the sardine run having fun. So if you're throwing bait in the water for them, they don't care. They're full on sardines. But, sorry, let me open this and let me get my brain cells together. There we go. Bob, yeah. Oh, right, Joe. It's just been a wild week, and it's only Monday, and then so yeah, so that happened, Dark Angel. But is there news today? Oh, hey Frankie B, how's it going? Again, if I'm not responding to anyone's messages, I'm so sorry. I'm trying to figure something out, but it doesn't look like it's doing anything. Anyways, sorry. I was just having a moment. Let's see. But I hope everyone had an amazing weekend. You are correct, Bob. I'm gonna watch the sideways chop. I was looking at London because I was like super bummed that obviously I missed London session because I was out swimming in the ocean. But it doesn't look like I missed that much. So I'm a little less bummed about that. It is what it is, right? Yeah, Frankie B, I was gonna be swimming with the sharks, but the sharks didn't pitch up. I made a deal. And I stick to my deals. So yeah, I was gonna go shark cage diving. Well, apparently shark snorkeling, no cage. Let's see if I would have been brave enough to have done that. But anyways. Oh, you think so, Diamante? Right, John? So apparently, so yeah, like I said, I got there and they were like, so are you just staying in the boat? You're gonna be snorkeling? I was like, snorkeling? What do you mean snorkeling? Go in the cage. Why do you need to be snorkeling? They're like, no, you can swim with them in the ocean, no cage. I was like, oh, what? So I mean, I did swim in the ocean, no cage, looking at all the fish. So I got, but don't ask me the names of the fish. I have no idea. I saw a dory and I saw a gill from Finding Nemo. I can tell you that much. And there was, so I'm not gonna forget this because it's cute as hell. It's potato bass. I say cute as hell. The fish is not cute, it's massive. It was huge. And I was just there going, this is terrifying. What would I do if there was a shark here? I'm scared of a fish right now. Frankie B, that is so cool. Marzia, how's it going? So, Frankie B, yeah. I'm one of those people. If I'm being dead honest, I probably will end up just doing it in case. But my luck, so if you guys want to hear... Sorry, I'm rambling. It's just been a weird and wild day. I'm sorry, you guys get the whole boom of the events this morning. So, for snorkeling, for anything, you sit on the side of the boat and you just kind of fall backwards into the water. So, don't ask me how, but I fell backwards and somehow got stuck under the boat. But my goggles came off, so I couldn't see where I was. I was just hitting the boat with my head, and I was like, I'm gonna drown under a boat. I just had to like open my eyes in the ocean and be like, oh, there's the exit. Yeah, that was fun. I wouldn't have died via shock. I would have died via stupidity, which actually, you know what? That's pretty fitting. It works. 100%. It's we're just going with it. Apparently the market was slow this morning. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Cool, this doesn't make me feel very good. Check it ES compared to NQ right now. If anyone has ES open. ES just took a proper dump down and NQ's not moving. Oh, I don't like this. This is not a great start. This is really not a good start. What does everyone think is gonna happen today, by the way? I probably should have started with that before I started going off on a little rant about how my day was. Ooh. This is an area of interest right here. Taken. Next thing going up is all with it. Okay. I don't know what I was expecting, but this is not great. Are we just gonna be chip chopping today? 853902. Interesting. You think so, Joan? You think it's gonna go? I say that high up. It's not that high up. Okay. Yeah. That's a very good point. Well, right now it just looks like we are chopping. Yay! So that's fun. ES right now has gone for the proper dump. However, clearly there's a lot of support down here on NQ, or else it would have gone with it, right? Theoretically. I could be talking absolute bull. If I'm talking bull, I'm sorry. Marzia, today, very choppy. Yeah, this is not working, guys. Give me 2 seconds. I'm going to be fiddling with something quickly. Because I do not see anything happening at all. Okay, Dark Angel, interesting. I love that, Joe. That's lovely. I love that. That is awesome. NQ is a diva. 100%, and now it's getting hot. That was cool earlier because when you outside in the sun and then you come inside, inside feels very yeah. Mars, yes, I didn't trade this morning. Doesn't look like I missed anything though, luckily. I'm just gonna put it on my lap. Whee! Because I was busy trying to swim with the fishies. The fishies just didn't want to swim with me apparently, so that was rude, but it's fine. Let's see. Whoop. Ooh, here we go. Let's see if we actually form something. Hi, Life. Hey, how's it going? Yeah, High Life. Unfortunately, there were no sharks there, which was a little bit sucky. In the same breath, thank heavens there were no sharks there. So I'm gonna have to try again. Gonna have to go back and try again. Yeah, Dark Angel, are you as uncomfortable as I am right now? Because I do not like it when it's like this. I really don't like it when it's like this. Thanks, High Life. Yeah, listen. So I did still swim in the ocean with some big fish, which I guess is still a little bit conquering fear, because my fear is just swimming in the ocean, like deep in the ocean in general, because it's that not knowing what's underneath you that gets me. But so I did. I swam with the fishies, just not the big fishies with sharp teeth. So yeah. You'd like a retest of this 800 area. Okay, Bob, let's see. I'm just gonna message my friend and ask about oh, cool. I see we are just running away now. Wait. Oh, it's taken the high on ES. Okay. Okay, well, Bob, this might be the retest area. Oh, wait, sorry, Dark Angel. I only saw that now. Like I said, if I miss any messages, I'm so sorry. I tried something different. Apparently, maybe I shouldn't have, but let's see. Sorry, as you can see, I'm messing around with things. I apologize while I quickly do this. Winning. Sorry. Okay, let's see if this works now or not. No, I messed it up. Okay. Let's see if this works now or not. Okay, let's see. Sorry if I missed anything. Thanks, Highlight. Well, so I did actually double check if you guys want to know what last week had in store for me. So I checked last week's trades. I had 8 wins, 4 losses, and 3 break-evens, which is really not bad. So yeah, very much a green week last week. I'm super chuffed with that. Now, oh damn it. This, oh no, damn indeed. Wow, these charts are very out of sync right now. This freaks me out a little bit. There we go. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, it was actually really deep. Like I said, I'm slowly climbing, like clawing my way out of the deep end I threw myself into. So yeah, like I said, thoroughly enjoying the strategy. Cool. So right now we are bearish on ES, and well, let's see if this breaks the high, but potentially bullish on NQ. That's fun. That's very, very fun. Is everyone now kind of waiting for it to make up its mind? Do we think it's just gonna chop? Hit the fair value gap on ES. Part of me wants to say, no, never mind, I'm gonna shut up. I was gonna say, part of me wants to say I'm feeling bearish, but maybe I was wrong. Maybe I must just be quiet. Because nope, never mind. Tapped into the order block on ES. Now is it going to keep going? Today just feels like it's wild and out of sync. I think it's because I didn't trade London and I'm like, what? And I may or may not have drank way too much seawater. Not on purpose. But yeah, so if I'm salty today, guys, I'm just gonna blame the ocean. That's okay. It's not me. Dark Angel, you didn't stream on Saturday, did you? I couldn't find you. Huh, okay, Bob. What happened? Why not? Or let me not ask that. Was it just not an A+ setup? Is this not what you were looking for? Thanks, Joan. You are awesome. Thank you, mad love. Just saying. Oop, yeah, nope. But yeah, anyways, while we're waiting for this chart to kind of make up its mind. Ah, there we go. Oh, sorry, Dark Angel. Yeah, I was having a look-see on Saturday, and then maybe I missed that one. Sorry about that. How was it? How was the stream? Sorry I missed it. Targets are 853,902. Okay, so it's close to 853. Why 853? Oh, you're on the 15-minute, right, John? And then, oh, see, I got 902. I agree with 902. I got it. Hey, Boom Banana, how you doing? Coming on here bragging, so flipping well, it's not early, is it? So early for some people, so late for me. And Perfect Play, hey, how's it going? You were so quiet. Were you? Oh, maybe I didn't see. I'm so sorry if I didn't see your messages. I apologize. I switched back. I tried a different chat thing. Clearly it didn't work. I apologize if you guys were sending me messages and I didn't see it. I'm so sorry. Nice. Oh, I'm so glad. I'm so sorry I missed it. I was really busy yesterday, unfortunately. Sorry, Dark Angel. You had a key. Okay. John, no, I'm from South Africa. Why weren't I on? What, this morning? Boom Banana, is that what you asking? Where was I this morning? Aw, thanks, Pavine. How you doing? Oh, thanks, Bob. Just rub it in. Like, just rub salt in the wound. That's very sweet. Very sweet. Really? Who? Oh, was it one of her kitty cats? Did I miss one of her kitty cats? Do not say I missed one of her kitty cats. Boom Banana, well, I stick to my word. I booked a shark cage dive. So I went for the shark cage dive this morning. Unfortunately, there were no sharks today. So I'm gonna have to go back and do it again. But I did swim in the ocean with some really big potato bass. So that was pretty terrifying for me, but I still did it. See, you can't say I don't stick to my word. I tried. Unfortunately, like I said, there were just no sharks today. So, because there's sardine run going on. Yeah. That's very cool. Oh, nice. It's the middle of the day for you. Awesome. Where you at? I was kidding. Boom Banana, it's early in the morning during London. No. I mean, I have a headache now, but I think that's from drinking too much salt water accidentally. Listen here, Bob. Listen here. Why was that necessary? That's so rude. Ugh. What, am I gonna send you the proof of swimming with fish? Sure. Like I said, I'm gonna have to go back again and swim with the sharks. If you want, I could quickly find the GoPro and show you the fish I swam with. Just quickly hold it here and show you if you really want proof, because someone's being salty and it's not the ocean. Just saying right now. Okay. Germany is like afternoon. Yeah, so here, South Africa, it is literally well, apparently it's chop o'clock on the stock market, but 3:48 in the afternoon. Come on, why is it choppy today? Pavine, I do. Okay, so it's just chilled. And then some Mondays are just wild, but apparently not this one. Even Bitcoin is quite really. No. Joan, just wait. Okay, Joan, I'll bite. Like, luckily the fish didn't. No news, no liquidity, no volume, no trade. Right? Anyways. Yeah. Interesting. Okay. But you guys don't know when it's gonna break. It's just that it could potentially break. And the fact that it's bearish on ES. No consequences. Oh my gosh, I have hiccups. Damn, High Life. What the heck? Okay. Let's see what happens now. Okay, apparently. Well, let's see. He still would have been in this trade, so wouldn't have been a win yet, LP. If I did this, that one would have been a win. Okay. So this range would have been a win in the bullish direction. It's just, like Arcade says, don't diddle in the middle, right? When it's choppy like this, it's a little bit risky. There we go. Diamante, is this what you were waiting for? Did I get a 10? Oh, but today? I don't think so. Well, I don't think so. I could have. Huh. Nice, High Life. Well done. Ooh, well done, Diamante. Very, very good. Very nice. Next target 902. I do agree with you, Joan. And I don't know if it's gonna come that far down again. Maybe. Maybe I did. Like I said, I am half Portuguese and I am blessed with getting tanned really quick. So, you never know. Ooh, well, nice, Marzia. Where was your entry at? Diamante. Whoop whoop indeed. Holy moly. Well done. That's ridiculous. What the heck? Ooh, nice, Bob. Okay. It's a good Monday for the diva. Well, let's see. I don't think it's gonna come back in this far. If it does, awesome sauce. Oh, maybe I spoke too late. Let's see. I feel like I'm a bit late for this, but let's see. Hey Richard, how you doing? But wait. Richard, that was a very weird thing to pop in and say. Cool. Yeah. Ish indeed. Hey Melwin, there's a few books. Oh. Had my entry there, it would have been fine. I think it might be running away now. Would have been risky, but fine. Give me a second, Melwin. I will for you now. Or if chat, you guys aren't busy with the trade, if you guys know any good trading books for Melwin, that would be awesome. TP89225. Ooh, okay, Bob. Let's see. Very nice entry, Bob. Well done. Whoop whoop indeed. Holy moly. There we go. Thank you, LP. Hey, Frankie, how you doing? Thinking in bets, any dude. Interesting name. Okay. Okay. The range might have been from down here. That might not get me. Let's see. Oh, thank you. And that goes into the Bob notes. Okay, here we go. Enough had for Bob. There we go. Where's that? Where's Bob saying? There we go. This thing needs to explode like a toilet. Definitely a Bob note moment. Nah. Hey Roy, how's it going? Okay, so apparently I'm in. Huh, it hit VWAP on ES. Let's see if it keeps going. Part of me is tempted to put my TP at 902 with you, Joan, but I'll stick with my strategy for now. Oh, nice, Joan. Okay. Well, let's see. Thanks, Joan. Yeah. Let's see now. It kinda, well, that's gonna tag me out or not, right? That's it. Dark Angel? Uh-oh. Thanks, Bob. Dark Angel, how's it looking for you for entry? A little bit of support, I'm hoping. The support is, I'm hoping it doesn't wick me out. I have a feeling it wants to take this little bit here and then go up. So there is a possibility it might wick me out. Let's see. Hey, Daytrading. There we go. What did I just say? Okay, at least it wasn't just a wick out. Well, we said let's see. Should maybe focus like a tiny bit. So out of pure curiosity, now that I've said that there, if this was the trade and I moved it, I'm gonna feel like a silly goose. There's the entry. Oh, maybe not. There's a big dump down on ES. Maybe that's it. Oh, Dark Angel, okay. Daytrading, hi. Sorry, I didn't say hi to you. Hey, Laura. It was successful but unsuccessful, if this makes sense. So I'll explain now. Sorry, Bob. I mean, it wasn't good for me, so yeah. Sorry, Bob. Was it a break even or was it a stop loss? Oh, hey, Rambo. Oh. Well, aren't you just lucky, Dean? Damn. Whatever. No, I'm sorry. Bob, it's okay. Both of us have a womp womp today. Womp womp indeed. This actually was probably supposed to be the correct range. I should have maybe had a look at my confluences here. Oh well, it's fine. Boom Banana, you looking to sell? I mean, a little bit, definitely. I'm just saying. Everyone's rubbing salt in all the wounds today. It's really unnecessary. I don't know what I did to deserve it, but it's fine. It's okay. So Boom Banana, you're looking to sell. Where you hoping to get in it? Joe needs to go up, you see. So it's collecting some liquidity to move higher, right? Is that what you think? So that's what it has done. Let's see if it now keeps going up. It's not you. I changed that. I don't know if... Is it better? Because now if I'm pointing to the trades. I don't know if it makes any difference. That's very, very funny. I'm sorry. Okay, so I should have stuck with this range. Huh. Interesting. Okay, so this was the range. Oh well, you win some, you lose some, right? Mazia, I do, well, let's see. Price is bullish on ES. However, a tad bit bearish on, nope, I mixed it up. Bullish on NQ, bearish on ES. So let's see what happens now. I feel like that's another Bob quote. Also, why are you not sharing the good stuff, Bob? What the heck? Where's my whiskey? Bob, I'm seriously gonna have a book after this. And if anyone needs any good sayings, I got a lot. Like how to say orb. Apparently, Joan, yep. Being a diva today. I mean, not the best start to the week, but to be fair, I feel like my brain's now out of sync of things, because obviously I didn't trade this morning. I wasn't here. I feel like my brain needs to regroup and refocus a little bit, so maybe I must just actually focus. Did you guys hear that? Oh, you don't drink before 10, but after 10 is fine, right? Then it's fair game. Thanks, John. Yeah, it's Monday. I did weird things. I swallowed way too much seawater. I think my brain's just out of whack. It's fine. Yeah, Bob, don't worry. I get it. Maybe after today, that's not the worst idea. No, I'm joking. I won't do that. Because I already have. Or have I? You guys will never know. Actually, you probably would know very quickly. Like I said, I'm a proper lightweight. If I start slurring words and giggling at nothing, you know I've added some good stuff to the coffee. What up, Joe? Huh, this is a bit frustrating. Hey, Bob. Go on then. Have a sip. Let's see. Hypocrites? Do you mean spirits? Hey, Sammy. So yes and no. So I did go shark cage diving this morning. However, there were no sharks today. So I'm gonna have to go back and try again. But I did keep my word. I did book it, and I tried my best. Unfortunately, it's like I said earlier, they can control the sharks as much as I can control the stock market. Some days they're there, some days they're not. You know, some days may be good, some days maybe sugar honey iced tea. Boom banana, you're hungry. Do you want sushi? Do you guys like sushi? Is sushi decent where you guys are? Oh, interesting. Oh, Diamante, so it sounds so girly, but it's so yummy. There's a grape flavored vodka down here that is just so yummy. The problem is it's like drinking juice. So ooh, okay, Joan. Nice, nice. Yeah, Diamante, that was so theoretically maybe it was a bad time to go, but then they said like on Wednesday, obviously last Wednesday, they had like 10 sharks there. But it is the sardine run happening currently on the side of the coast. So I think a lot of the whales and dolphins and sharks are there just picking out. So maybe I will have to just wait until after the sardine run is done and then go back and try that. That's valid, Joan. That's valid. Boom banana, I don't have some, but I might have some sushi for dinner tonight. So, let's see. And it's really good. It's really good. Especially now that I've moved down to the coast. The fish is fresh. Awesome. Ah, we back to being choppy. Or have we broke it? No, not yet. Have we? Oh gosh, okay. So, sorry, John, you mentioned the moon. I don't know if this would have had any impact at all, but last night here in South Africa, yeah, I'm assuming, yeah, obviously, you were this side of the world, the moon was a blood moon last night and a lunar eclipse. So the ocean was definitely doing wild stuff yesterday. When I went to go and walk my dog at like 4 p.m. on the coast, there was basically no beach. The tide was just that far in, and I was just like, okay, this is new. And I didn't understand why until everyone was like, oh, there's a blood red moon. And I was like, okay, cool. And then halfway through, I'm like, why is the moon, there's no clouds? Why is the moon getting darker? And then I googled and it was a lunar eclipse as well. It was very, very cool. So yeah, I sat and I watched the lunar eclipse. It was a very interesting weekend / Monday. It's just been wild. Hey Chris, how you doing? Sorry, I only saw that now. Yeah, Dark Angel, it looks like it's now gonna chop again. Let me wait for structure to maybe come back. Ooh, there we go. How cool? How amazing was it? And Dead Wolf, of course. Of course. Should have known. So then what would a lunar eclipse do to you, Dead Wolf? Now we're asking the questions. Really, Joan? Maybe we have to change Joan's name to something with a wolf in it or something. Alejandro, hey, how you doing? Ooh, nice, okay. Nice, nice. Yeah, so I wonder, I have no idea. Maybe that it could have, like I said, the ocean yesterday was insane. I've never seen it that high up. I was like, okay, this is, it's walking like along the edge of the beach. It's like beach and then a little bit of shrubbery, I guess. And it was just getting less and less. I was like, maybe I need to get back home now. Maybe I need to get off of the beach because there's not much beach left. And I can tell you for a fact that my dog is terrible at swimming. Ooh, nice. Okay. Bob, let's get back to the 800 area. So, Bob, if it gets back down to 800, do you think it's going to go back up? Or do you think it's going to keep melting down? Do you think it's retesting the orb? What are your thoughts? Damn, 100. Oh my gosh. I'm feeling rich. No, just kidding. Okay. Ew. This order block. I mean, an order block. This. Call it what you will. Fair value gap, low volume node, whatever you want to call it. You think it's going to pop back into here and then go back up? Oof, I think this may have just been a loss. Let's see. Yo, I would have been angry. Check at that. Okay. What, Diamante, you don't think this is going to become bearish? Do you think it's just going to keep pushing up? Diamante, I'm waiting for it to pick a structure. Well, I guess it theoretically has picked just straight line. Interesting. Okay, let's see who's right. Is it 902 or 802? Let the games begin. No, I'm joking. Again, like I said, we all see different things. I think it's very interesting. And I'm very curious to see which way it heads now. Yeah. We are just being choppy. Which is great. Nice, Dark Angel. There we go. Guys, do you hear that? May the odds be forever in your favor. I'm sure you'll be fine. Okay. Money makings? Damn, I'm so sorry. That's... Ooh, I don't even think womp womp is fair enough to say right now. I'm so sorry, that sucks. Damn. What happened? That's valid, Diamante. How about now? Boom banana, well done, well done. Where's your TP, Boom banana? That's exactly what I was thinking, Dark Angel. I was like, you know, when you're a little bit speechless. 744. Oh, okay. Damn, Boom Banana. Okay. Okay, Diamantis. I mean, you're like fairly similar. I'm also now waiting for a confirmation of structure, I guess you could call it that. Basically, Deadwolf. Now we are taking a dump. This would have just been frustrating. Like I said, check at this range. Just tagged out. Gone down. That would have stung quite a bit. I would have been super upset. This range is crazy. I mean, it's doable, but it's... I need the body to close below 30 seconds. Let's see. I don't know, maybe it's just gonna be a poopy day. Hence the toilet jokes. Joan, it's going down. Yee. Well. Before we get too excited, still hasn't closed below. It's quite a bit of support here. How many contracts will I need? Sure, this is quite a biggie. Probably there. Hey Chris, I'm trading props. Yeah. There are so many songs stuck in my head right now that I cannot sing, which I think is very mean. Okay, we've officially broken below, so that makes me a bit more confident doing that. Let me also now do this. 2 minutes. I don't think it's gonna come up high enough to grab me. Put that one right there, maybe. Yeah, let's see. I don't think it's gonna come get me, but we will soon find out. This is also a very big range. let's see. Right? Can't say I didn't put the trade in. And I got my confirmation that I wanted. Oh, I'm not loving the momentum up though. Was this just a fake? A fake out? Oh, maybe not. Let's... Dark Angel... I just hope it comes up to get me and then stops coming up to not get me out. Let's see, if it does, maybe I then just call it for today. Maybe it's just not my day. You know, not every day can be our day, right? Okay, no pressure. Damn, LP. Yeah, that's true, Dark Angel. Oh gosh. Yeah. Well, it's hands off now, right? It's hands off. Just leave it alone. Just leave it alone. Bob? Are you still waiting for it to touch the 800 area? Well, not congrats yet, Joan. Maybe, hopefully soon? I think if LP does, I'm gonna have to play Dead Wolf's song. Specifically for LP. Don't you freaking dare say you nearly tagged me in and then said nah. Okay, Bob, let's see, right? Fingers and toes and everything in between crossed. 8 to 1 way. I mean, it got really close there. It got really, really close. I'm also kind of hoping now because then it means it will go further down. Would be great. I mean, the fact that there's a little bit of resistance going up is giving me a little bit of hope. LP, are you in? Oh. Okay. Well, I am in. I'm in it. Let's see. You are shorting 846. Ooh, okay. So it's nearly got you, Chris. Okay, well, now... Let's see, I'm gonna keep that little mark there to see that's Chris's entry. Oh my gosh. Okay, Chris is in, LP's in, I'm in. Let's see now. And, oh. Chris, where's your stop loss? Maybe I should ask that. It took the liquidity on ES. Oh my gosh, it's just surging up. Oh my gosh. I'm still in this. I'm about to get smoked. Oh damn, okay. Your stop loss is nice and high. Yeah. Wowza indeed, Nox. I'm about to get stopped out though. I can see it in the side of my eye. That was... It's just not my day today. Oh well. Oh, Marzia, nice. Marzi, are you going long, hey? Short, long, short, long. I did potentially think this was the fake out, but I had the confirmation of structure, so it's just going wild today. Oh, no, wait, sorry. Maybe. This. Nope, not that. This. Cool. Just not my day today. And that happens, right? Right? Guys, not gonna lie, Monday's not starting great. Marzio, you in short. Okay. Right? Sorry guys, I was just... Ooh, I did see, I can feel, I got some sunshine today. How weird. So I was in those wetsuit thingies. Never worn one, they're actually rather comfy. Very weird. Nox. Yeah. Womp womp womp. Anyways. It's fine. Just not my day. It is what it is. Wait, Boom Banana, are you still in this? Oh, okay, well, I mean, it's still a win. So whoop whoop for you, well done. Ooh, perfect play. Now that sounds amazing. Okay. Yeah, nice, Boom Banana. Oh, yeah, for your lung. Hey, Joan. Well, let's see if Joan gets in. I feel like if I place a trade now, I'm just going to be chasing, which is bad. We do not chase. Part of me wants to, but nope. Nope. Keep the discipline. Apparently I went and swam in the ocean and now my brain's just gone, YOLO, let's just do whatever we want. Right, Chris? What the heck? Oh well, there's always tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow my brain will be more hydrated. Okay. Yep. Yeah. So, demand basically it's just messing around. That's what it feels like anyways. Yeah, Nux, this is a bit of a wild day. So oh, Laura, right now I'm a nothing bias anymore. I was a buy bias, then I thought, oh no, it's gonna be short. So then I was a short bias, and now I'm just like, I'm waiting until we confirm something. Fishing Wicks. Nice name. Probably. In all honesty, Fishing Wicks, it's probably gonna be what I end up doing. Just take it for what it is and call it. Yeah, no, with how much it's jumping around, yeah, I might. Let's see. Let's see if there's a confirmation. Let's see if it actually sticks to a structure. That'd be great. But anyways. That's okay, Laura. Oh, yeah, sorry, perfect play. I'm on it. Joan? No, who knows? Yes, who knows? Laura, so basically, I did book it. I did go today. Unfortunately, there were no sharks there today. Like I've been saying, they can control the sharks just as much as I can control the stock market. You know, some days they're there, some days they're not. So, unfortunately, but I did still swim in the ocean with some really big fish, which is still pretty scary for me. So I have my fear of the ocean is not being able to see what's underneath me and like around me. Does that make sense? So I still got in the ocean and I still swam with some rather large fish. And then like once or twice I panicked because I was like, what if a shark had to show up right now? I will panic. I will panic. I might just die here in the ocean. Huh, interesting, Fishing Wicks. Also, hi. I don't think I've ever seen you on here. How's it going? How long have you been trading for? Yeah, 100%, Laura. When are you watching the clip? I mean, if you want, I could very quickly, I don't know if you'll be able to see with the ring light, and quickly get the GoPro and show you guys a clip if you want. You guys can get like some first-hand footage. What do you think? Yes, no, maybe? Because I mean, I'll still go back. I promised you guys sharks. So I need to go back and actually swim with sharks. Thanks, Laura. Okay, give me 2 seconds because Fishing Wicks, I do agree with you. If I had to jump in on a trade now, I will be fishing. Anyways, fishing for trades. Sorry, it was right there. I had to seize the opportunity. Oh, damn it, you were so right. Why didn't I just do that? Why didn't I just lie and be like, it was terrifying. There was a great white that was like 5 meters and I just swam with it. I should have, hey. Oh, man. If only I was a better liar. I'm a terrible liar. I would never be able to lie. I am also still watching out for Jones' trade. His 902 trade. Let's see. But let me see if I can quickly grab the GoPro. Okay, sorry, let me quickly see here. Fishing, leaving soon, just short. Oh, thank you. Oh, yeah, Fishing Wicks, I'm not gonna lie. That is the most difficult part for me. You guys want to see me getting absolutely splashed in the face as well. Sorry, I know I'm looking a little bit rude by doing this right now. Let me just make sure here. Even watching this back, I'm kind of going, this was absolutely crazy. Why did I do this? Okay. Are you guys ready? I'm sorry, it's very, very tiny, but I hope you can maybe see it. There we go. Oh, not really, hey. There's fish. There's fish. You can kind of see fish. Sorry, that's terrible. Oh my gosh. You can see me in the ocean looking like a drowned rat. Literally. It's not great. Wait. There might be some cool things. I'm getting excited. Nope. That was not cool at all. Purple fish? Yeah. Sorry, I'm gonna have to maybe post a little short. Me in a wetsuit? I don't even know. Again, apologize if it looks pink. I think. Let's see. Ooh, can we see? There we go. Kind of. Nope, there, kind of. That's me in a wetsuit. There we go. Same thing! And then, because I am always cold. Turn off. Okay, there we go. I am always cold. So at the very end, like, there was like a 12-year-old kid there. I don't think his plan was to go in the water with the sharks, but you know, he still went with, I'm there. I had to steal like the main dude's jersey, and he was just like, yeah, sure. And I'm just there like in this completely oversized jersey because I'm just shivering, and everyone else was completely fine. So Joan, love you short. Thank you. Yeah, I'll hopefully I can maybe post one or two. Let's see. Maybe there's one or two cool things that we can do, and I'll just say, sorry, there were no sharks. We're gonna try again, right? Just like with the markets, if you do not succeed, try again. Except now we appear to have hit some resistance. I didn't mark out liquidity on ES like a absolute. Oh, there's none. Oh, wait, no, there's lots. I lied. Oh, it's just all the way up here. That's fun. Okay. Okay, we are still. Wouldn't have hit. It does want to push up. That's right. Well, I say that. I did actually get a little bit seasick because unfortunately, like in the morning, it was super sunny, super calm. I was like, awesome. And then it slowly became like cloudy, and I was like, oh no. So it was super choppy. So I did eventually like just think about it. I'm kidding. Maybe that's fine. My brain's just not screwed on quite right today. Yeah, I agree with you, LP. I know I said I might be down, but I may have lied. I think this one might be good. We're heading for that 902 area. Let's try one last one. One last one, because I always say my max is 3 losses done. So if there's one more loss, then oh damn, okay. Nope, not that many. 8 is good. Let's do 8. Yeah, and then unfortunately it did get choppy, so oh. It's gonna come this far back down though. Let's check the 2-minute. Got that order block for protection on the 2-minute. That's really good. However, ooh, and we have this gap to fill. There's potential here, guys. 4-minute looks rubbish. 5 minutes also not great, but let's see. Here we go. Hope that wasn't too zoomed in. Sorry if it was. Joe, no roofs for gold. Is it still just climbing? Wow. Hey, King Royalty. How you doing? Watch out for previous highs. What, because it's taken them already? Is that what you're saying? Damn, okay. Interesting. 5k, Diamante, 5k. Because then that'll be the tattoo that you guys can help me pick. What and where. Obviously, I'll give options so you guys don't get too excited with too many weird things. I know you guys. Another diva. Yep. Joan, I've come to realize that there's just divas everywhere. Honestly, just absolute divas everywhere. Oh, this is scary. You know, it is what it is. Let's see now. It's just hands off now. I did wait. Sounds like there's a story with that one, but I won't ask now. It's fine. It's fine. Well, apart from just the fact that you've been trading for a lot longer than me, and you are probably very well aware of all the stuff that goes on with these flipping markets sometimes. No, it doesn't look like it's gonna come and get me. No. Well, I can still watch and see if Joan gets the tag, right? Diamante, you in this? Oh, I think this is the push. Oh, right. Sorry. So, interesting. Diamante, do you think the repetition helps with the mental part of it? Or, yeah, do you think that's why it actually starts to help? Because you've just repeated it over and over, so you start to mentally see things better or prepare yourself better? I don't know how to put this. Oh, interesting. I'm not in it yet, Nox. I'm not in the trade. I don't know if it's gonna come and get me or not. But yes, it's hands off now. You see, I'm gonna just stay right here and do this. Oh, that's not great, but anyways. Huh. Hey Max, how's it going? No, Joan, that's very interesting. I've never really thought about it like that. But I mean, it does make sense. But hear me out. Does it make sense for scalpers? Okay, do you want to explain, please? No, yeah, I'm just like curious. I hear exactly what you're saying, and I'm not disagreeing, not at all. But is it, or should it be? Maybe that's the better question. Should it be the same mentality for scalpers? Enter and pray strategy. No, Max, no, don't do that. Well, it is chopping a little bit now, so it might come back down one last time. Or it's just going to go to the moon now. But Diamante, that does make a lot of sense. Oh, okay. But so, Diamante, I use the higher time frames for confirmation, but I only trade with the 1 minute. Well, I'm in. Let's hope the fair value gap and a little bit of an order block protect me. It's just going straight down. Oh, interesting. Perfect play. Why is that? Yeah, so Diamante, I look at the 15-minute and the 1 hour for market structure. Well, generally, I look at those two for market structure. And then once I place the trade, I don't know if you saw me kind of cycling through the 2, 3, 4, and 5 minute. I use those to find the confluences and confirmation of the trade. So, perfect play. Out of curiosity, why do you find scalping more difficult? Because you have to sit and watch and focus a little bit more, or... Yeah, just out of curiosity. Nox, I'm listening to you. It's hands off. I really wanted to just be like, maybe I should just call it at a break even and leave it there, but it's hands off. Dark Angel, you still there? I haven't heard you in a while. And Bob. Well, I don't think they're here. Haters. Sorry if I butchered that. Yes, I do. Mentally. No, that's true. Okay, sorry. I know there's a lot going on right now. Oh, this doesn't look great for me, does it? Oh, no. I think maybe Bob's gone. Bob, come back. So, Joan, your strategy is based on looking for the maximums or minimums of the price made on one of our outcome. We seek to break those objectives. Okay, and Joan, again, you don't have to answer, by the way. I'm asking out of curiosity about different people's strategies and things like that and what they see and how they discovered this, I guess. So, Joan, how do you work out your entry point then? Or do you just market buy or market sell? Sorry, I'm also, can you see I'm distracting myself? I'm not looking at, no, wrong way. No, I'm not looking at the market right now. Yeah, Demon, I try not to, because that's what I was doing. It's going down. I can see it in the corner of my eye. It's gonna be 3 losses today. Oh well. I really try to keep it simple. but sometimes you just need that little bit of a extra confirmation. So you need, like on the 2-minute, you see it just tapped that order block and now it's going back up slightly. So that's what I was kind of hoping for. The order block was a little bit of protection, if you will. So yeah, I just look for confluences that confirm that this could be a winning trade. Do they always work? No, but that is trading, right? Yeah, Dark Angel, me and you have both been there way too many times. Way too many times. It is the absolute death. Cool, I see him in a chop now, but let's see if it continues going up or not. Oh, I looked. Oh, speaking of Dark Angel, so sorry I didn't watch yesterday, but what did you find out? During your back testing, what did you discover? Mm-hmm. Hey, frog. No. not really. Well, no, it's been a good Monday, just not trading wise today. And you know what? It is what it is, right? You're gonna have some days that'll win, some days that'll losses. Can't take it personally, right? Yeah, Dark Angel, that's what I'm kind of hoping. It's here. Yeah, how's your day looking, Frog? How was your weekend? Also, maybe let's ask that. Oh, interesting, Envy. So hi, how's it going? Oh, nice. See, Dark Angel, I must say, I absolutely love you guys to death. You guys are so amazing, and you, so willing to help. I think that's the key word, and you come with different insights and different perspectives that you would have never thought about. I think that's why getting outside opinions is actually really helpful, because sometimes you don't even consider looking at something, and then someone brings it up, and you're like, oh, I never thought about that. I've never bothered to think about that. Yeah, no, Diamante, I do agree with you. I do agree. I mean, you know, remember I've asked this question a few times, and I did the one-to-one, and just unfortunately, my win rate then was not high enough. So it feels like when you lose a one-to-one, you lose a lot, and when you win a one-to-one, you really do not win that much. I know it's one-to-one, it just, you know, it just feels that way. Ooh, oh no. That's, Joan, that's exactly, we are a good, crazy, helpful family. Yeah, that's just about it, and I absolutely love it. I think it's amazing. Oh, Frog, I get that feeling. I understand that feeling all too well. I feel like we could all do with another, like, 3 to 4 days of rest and relaxation. Interesting, Diamante. I've never actually thought about that. Also, what do you call, what's your version of a very high time frame? Like days, weeks, or like hours? Junie. How's it going? In your opinion, get rid of the volume data. Oh, interesting. Oh, it's gonna get me now. Here's the down. Really? There it is. Oh, that was a frustrating. Okay, done for the day. It was very much a red day today. You must be joking. Yeah, Boominana. Bad day today. Oh well. I can't be upset with this trade because I had my confluences, I had my solid reasoning for why I wanted to take this trade. Just unfortunately, I mean, it did respect it, it just didn't bounce high enough. But yeah, fishing wicks, don't come yell at me, I'm so sorry. It's okay. We all have days. I do know that. It's fine. Now we just sit and watch, but now it is hands off, no more trading. Done. This gap here. I think I just went to fill it and then just say, okay, bye, done. It's days like this where I really wonder if I should just trade ES. Because ES is listening. ES is being very nice. ES sticks. Yeah, does it? It does. Not stuck a little bit better than NQ today. Oh well, there's still tomorrow. Oh, that's okay. Nox, you're not wrong. Like, it would have a break of but maybe it looks different here. Let me have a quick look. Let's close that so it doesn't look so yucky. On the 15-minute, very much bullish, but the two bullish trades I took got stopped out, so it is just potentially one of those days. Could have got, yeah. Check the 15 again with regards to highs. Hello, Ivy League Media. You are completely correct. I had a 3-loss day, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Yeah, Joan, 100%. Fishing wicks, really? What strategy do you use? I don't think NQ looks clean at all today. And yeah, Dark Angel can't hear me, but yes, Dark Angel, yes. Demont, I have considered it. I really have considered it. Oh, interesting fishing mix, okay. Really, Junie? Because I think Bob's gone. Because Bob traded the 15-minute orb and he did, yeah, he got stopped out. Diamante, you are more than welcome to. If you want to take a screenshot of your trade, I guess, or of how your chart looks, and you can pop me an email, I'll be super chuffed with that. That's perfect. You know what probably would have been potentially better? Not great, but potentially better. Oh, look at all those yucky things popping back up. This just probably would have taken a while to get here. Joan, are you still in this trade, by the way? Okay, Diamante, how do you want to do it? What's easier for you? Let's ask that. So High Life, it's in the works. It's in the works. I'm gonna put it at that and leave it at that. Oh, nice, Joan. Okay. Joan, where was your... No, you moved to break even, right? You don't have your stop loss anymore. You're at break even. Where is that at? 840. Ooh, okay. Nice, nice. Oh, Travel Diaries India. Not today, no. Today was a bad day, guys. But it's like I said, I want to be honest and open, and not every day is going to be a winning day. Just, it is what it is. And today was very much not a winning day. But I do have some cushion room because last week was a green week and it was really, really good. So I'm still chuffed about that. This can't get me down. It's fine. Entry 777. Cool. Nice. Hey John, how's it going? Oh gosh, I heard my dog outside and the first thing that just like flew into my brain was, please don't let the snakes still be outside. I know it's now too late and they probably slithered off somewhere, but oh my gosh. That put me into a panic. That was more terrifying than the would have been sharks. John, I didn't check the amount, but it was a green week with 8 wins, 4 losses, and 3 break-evens. And the wins are, well, it's a 1 to 2 R, so the wins are good. Ah, oh, thanks, Alejandro. That's great. Oh, at this stop loss level here? Damn, you think it's gonna come all the way down here and then go back up? John, I trade futures. Yo guys, sorry, I have a massive headache. Let's see. What? Makes me nervous when people go, So I'm like, what did I do? What happened? Also, anyone here that trades DAX and uses TradingView, I have a question. I did a lot this weekend, guys, so just, yeah. That's true, Joan. That's exactly it, right? You have to look at your stop loss as helping move the market. Part of the game, if you want to call it a game. It's kind of a game. Ooh, okay. Nice. Nice. Oh no, he's good. Thankfully. He's okay. scared the ever living daylights out of me, but he's okay. John, no, I don't use TradeZilla. Okay, so Frankie B, do you have TradingView? Yeah, there's no, well, I don't believe there's such thing as 100% win rate, and people that say that they do are full of rubbish. Let's keep it PG-13. Okay, so Frankie B, out of curiosity, do you mind if you don't mind? I mean, you don't have to. You can. How did you want to show me? What's easier? So there's a delay. Is it maybe just because I can't trade them? But yeah, there's a delay on the DAX on my TradingView. Maybe it's just not supported. I don't know. I just thought I would ask out of curiosity. Yeah, Junie, of course. Absolutely. It's, well, teachmytrading@gmail.com, so pretty sweet and simple. No capital, no full stops, no weird question marks or exclamation marks, just teachmytrading@gmail.com. Thank you, Dimante. Thanks. John, what's a good win rate according to me? Well, I guess it depends on your strategy as well. So I mean, if you're doing like a 1-to-1, you have to get higher than 50%. Have to. Or else you are never going to be profitable. Yeah, like I said, I really believe it depends on your strategy. If you can make up for a lot of losses, then the win rate doesn't, well, if your R makes up for a lot of losses, your win rate doesn't have to be that high. But if you have a strategy where the win rate needs to be high, yeah, so it really is dependent per person. So I can't even give you a proper answer to that. I really believe it depends on your strategy. You guys can correct me if you think I'm talking absolute rubbish. That's just what I think or believe. Yay, Dark Angel. Hey, how's it going? How was the meeting? Well, I mean, Dark Angel, I should be PG-13, right? You guys might run away if my sailor... If my sailor's language... That's what... No, that's not right. What's it called? Sway like a sailor? No? There's something to do with sailors. I do that, but anyways. Thanks, Frankie B. Yeah, I thought so, but I thought I would just quickly double check with you. Thanks, guys. See? And now I've learned something new again today. I really appreciate it. Go for it. Go for it, Landro. I'm super chill with that. 100%. Aw, thanks for the sub, Ivy League. Thank you. Mad love. Yeah, that's exactly it, John. Oh, Joan, are you immortal? Maybe. Sorry. Damn. My bad. Ah, interesting, Frankie. Very, very interesting. Okay. So I have a 1 to 2 R. So if I risk, let's give a for example, if I risk $200, I would win $400. Yeah. I hope that makes sense, John. I hope that's what you're asking as well. If I misunderstood the question, I do apologize. Many apologies. I don't actually know why I have this open. Oh, I have it open to see out of curiosity. But we appear to now be going up, now that it decided to just take me out of the equation. Ooh, okay. I'm watching this trade of Jones. I'm very curious. Yay! Well, yeah. Wouldn't you still, like, have... Yeah, you would. You would still be in profit if it came back down to get you, right? I think the salt water and the boat actually hit me a little harder than I thought. I'm okay though. Joan, I've just come to accept that you're a cool kid, so it's fine. It's okay. It is what it is. John, how long have I been trading? Only since April. So yeah, as Joan likes to call me, I'm still a... What? Baby trader. I'm still a baby trader. I'm still learning. Still figuring some things out. As you can clearly see by today's disaster. Land sick. Yes, I'm feeling a little land sick, guys. Oh. Yeah, like we weren't even out there for that long, but I was like, oh. I think it's because it was super windy, so it was ridiculously choppy today. I don't think the GoPro has a video of me getting absolutely demolished. Like when we were on our way there, we were getting absolutely blasted by the water. I tried to look forward, I would get like blinded. Yes, baby trader. Oh, thanks, High Life. Listen, like I said, I think now that I'm trying to keep it PG-13, I don't lose it as much as I used to. Ooh, I used to. If you go to, if you ever out of... Oh, nice, Shani. If you ever out of curiosity want to see the rage, and how I used to be mentally, you could go and have a look at like some of the first videos I made. Yeah. That's all I'm gonna say. I'll leave it at that. Aw, that's annoying. What the heck? Landre, that really sucks. Oh, well done, Shani. Yeah, High Life, it's been like, you'll see me figuring everything out, but if you like fast forward to trades that I've lost. Yeah. Anyways, hey JP, how's it going? How are you? Which market do I trade? I trade, well, NQ, but MNQ. Enemy. I don't know if you guys get that reference, but I'm sticking with the fish thing today, apparently. We're going with it. Like I said, after this, I'm gonna get sushi. I'm sticking hardcore to this fish thing today. Oh, Maddie. JP, no. I have been potentially looking into it. I'm curious about it, JP. Aw, Dark Angel, and how's little Sasha doing? I did, Cheney. Unfortunately, there were no sharks. So I went all the way out there, and there were unfortunately no sharks. I did still swim with the fish. Quite big potato bass. Do not ask me the names of the others. I only remember the potato bass because the only thing that went through my head was, I'm a potato, and that's it. Sorry. Oh, flip. Oh no! Joan, did you get tagged out? Aw. Well, I mean, still whoop whoop. You still won. Well done. Oh, nice. Okay. Damn. Living the tough life your little kitties are. Oh my gosh, I'm so jealous. So, I just don't know where to look. That's the problem, because down here, I'm really considering adopting a kitten. I'm really considering it, but you know, up in Pretoria, there's lots of places you can go. And down this side, I haven't really found a place yet, so it's a bit disappointing. Ooh, nice, Leandre. And oh yeah, actually, you're in the cell, right? You lucky fish. Oh well. John, you're gonna have to ask the group that, because I've never done options, so I do not know. Chat, what's easier, options or futures? Right, Dog Angel, so that's... But then part of me is like, oh, my poor dog, he's been such a good only child. I think he will... I don't know if he'll cope. He's a proper, like, number one, proper mama's boy. 100%. Like, he panics if he can't see me. So if we're at the stables and he gets distracted and I walk off, he runs around like, where is she? And, oh, shame, he's very, very cute. And then, like I said, I don't know where I can adopt a kitten here. Which kind of sucks, right? Perfect play. Interesting. Okay, there we go, John. So, futures. Oh, they are the hiccups. I'm gonna stick around and chit chat with you guys for another few minutes just because, well, I'm enjoying it and because I can. Like I said, I am done. Yeah, Chris, today is cooked and I also got cooked. Got cooked alive. It was not a good day for me, but it is what it is. And like I said, I trade everything live so that I'm not hiding anything. There are going to be good days and there are going to be bad days, and today was probably one of the worst days I've had since I've had the strategy, to be fair, but I also probably shouldn't have been trading in the chop, so that is on me. Ooh. Okay, Dark Angel. I will. He is so cute. I can show you guys a little video of him following me on my horse. Like my new horse, because I know, Dark Angel, you saw an old video of him following me with my horse. Here we go. Give me 2 seconds. Okay. If you guys want to see, sorry, now you're getting spammed with horses and dogs and things, but there we go. Yeah. And he does that. He just comes and follows me around. And then if it's hot, he goes and lies in the shades and watches me ride. Deadwolf, that's the thing I have. I haven't found anything. Aw, thanks, Joan. Wilson, hi. What technique? I have my own little strategy that I use. It's not looking great today, is it? But in general, it's a pretty decent strategy. Like I said, today is just a bad day. How do I develop a sustainable strategy? Trial and error, I get. That sounds terrible. But no, it's basically trial and error. You find a strategy that works for you and that you can see. I hope that makes sense, because I feel like people see the same chart and they're seeing same things but in different ways. I know that sounds very confusing. I hope I'm not confusing you. I have my own little strategy. I use some ICT and SMC concepts, and yeah, maybe don't look at how it looks today, but in general it's good. Yeah, Alejandro, well done. Well done. Very nice trade. You want a horse and to gallop off very fast into the horizon. Yeah, I can 10 out of 10 recommend. It's awesome. So one of my best memories. So I have two very cool memories. When I was young and I just went for it and my poor horses had to deal with me. So number one, I lived on a farm and it was right next to the highway, if you will. It was a very small town. And I was on my horse and there was a truck and I waited for the truck and then I raced the truck along the fence line. That was very cool. I won, just saying. And the second coolest memory was I was galloping and there was an eagle above me and I was just galloping with the eagle. That was awesome. Sorry, just a random... You got me thinking about that. So throwbacks to random little Myers. Andre, I cannot relate. You lucky fish. I'm glad you're starting the week off well. I'm not, so maybe... Am I a full-time trade? How do I manage my emotions? Oh, so I'm not a full-time trader yet. That's the goal. That's the goal, but not yet. How do I manage my emotions? It took... Well, I say it took a while. It's still something I'm working on. Again, we look at today. Theoretically, theoretically I shouldn't have traded today because it was choppy, but I had a little bit of FOMO and I really wanted to trade, and this is then what happens when you do that. So then unfortunately I had a bad day. So I'm still working on it. It's the discipline. I think discipline helps with the emotions. Aww. Okay, bye Joan. Enjoy. Yeah, truly, Andre. But yeah, Joan, see you tomorrow. I hope it's a good one. Andre, are you still in this? How long are you still in this for? I'm gonna stay on for another 4 minutes until 5:30 my time. I think that's 11:30 EST, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Enjoy. I hope it's a good one. Well, a good relaxing time right now. Let's put it that way. I was about to ask the dumbest question. I was about to say, aren't you going to wait for your TP to be hit? And then... Never mind. Just ignore me. Ignore me. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm just talking rubbish, apparently. One of those days. It's fine. Nox, how's the paper trading been going for you? Figuring this stuff out or not yet? Slowly getting there? Let's see now. Aw. Bye, Dark Angel. I hope it's a good one. Yeah, I might be calling it now also, to be fair. I know it's a little bit early, but there's nothing. Well, I'm not gonna trade anymore today, so Let me not get myself too excited and be like, oh, maybe I could just do this. No, I'm done. So let me not tempt myself. Oh, dog. Oh, you are still here. Hello. Nox, are you getting there? Really? That's amazing. What have you figured out? Marzia, no, I'm done for today, unfortunately. Oh, wait, yeah. Huh. I forgot about this. Check out this range. Huh. Now I'm kind of curious to see if this would have worked. You must be joking. Oh, got it, Dog Angel, sorry. I thought you were going. I was like, oh, okay, bye. Everybody leaving. What the heck? Literally just came, tagged in, and now it's gonna go. For Mozzie, I'm here for, well, a few more seconds because I'm grumpy now about this. What the heck? Can you believe it? This would have been a win. Yeah, 100% Dark Angel. Well, wait. Isn't broken yet. No, it is. I just kind of thought it would have happened sooner. But this is why this chop day is just absolutely no fun. Like, it looks like it's establishing structure and then it just goes, joke's on you. Naheem, profit and loss? Are you asking if I'm profitable right now? Well, today, no. Last week was a green week though. Oof, I probably would have moved this to break even though. I should have moved that one to break even, but I'm trying the hands off because there's been so many times where I've been taken out for break even and it would have been a win. Nox, that sounds about right. But the more you know, the less likely you are to lose every time, if that makes sense. Well, that was frustrating. Okay, but yeah, I'm probably gonna call it there for today. Let's get back to some normality tomorrow. Hopefully my head is screwed back on. Hopefully I'm not feeling like I'm still on the boat. Kind of how I'm feeling. I'm a little bit nauseous. I didn't think it would get me as hard as it did, but here we are. I feel like I need to go drink a gallon of water and then just sleep. Oh, hi, Miss Izzy. How are you? No, that's a bad... No, don't gamble. This is better than that. Oh, I guess it depends on which sport, right? Thanks, Dark Angel. Well then, I'll see you back here tomorrow. Hopefully I can redeem myself tomorrow, right? We've got this. Ooh. Well done, Lahandre. Well done. Damn. Okay. But then, yes, let me call it for today. I love you guys madly. I would say sorry, but I'm sure you guys were very entertained watching me lose some money today, so it's fine. I love you guys madly, and I will see you tomorrow. Like I said, tomorrow is a new day, right? Okay. I love you guys, and no redemption needed. Thanks, Dark Angel. You're very, very sweet. I'm very bummed I missed you yesterday, but it's okay. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Mad, mad love. I just exit. I'm so sorry. Okay, well, love you guys. Bye. I'm so